So over here on the dashboard, we have trend charting as well as system history. For trend reports, we can trend manually entered report data from service reports and operator logs. So we can trend controller data as well. So both manually entered data and controller data can both be used to maximize the story you're telling your customers, showing trends and how they may impact your shared business and systems. So I'll use a connected controller that we have here. I'm going to use a different account that I know that's set up with. Now you can go in here to each series. You can pick from a number of different options here, right? So service reports, operator logs, controllers, as we've all mentioned. You also have the ability to create a template. So if you kind of want to automate certain aspects of this and quicken the pace, you can create a template. So here we've got temperatures compared. So we've got controller data for makeup temperature, RO permeate, as well as DI worker temperature. And we've got a 30-day range already pre-associated. So let's go ahead and generate that graph. And in no time, you've got this much detail and information, including the report type, component, the test associated, makeup, RO permeate, DI worker temperature. What are the averages associated, days that these tests were taken, how many tests occurred in that time frame, were any high or low outside of parameter, and what is the range percentage. So very, very important to getting messages related to your customers, whether that be manually or controller-driven data. Also from here, let's go to show you how you can add a controller. So right here, I've got a controller. It's ST108 controller, number of inputs, 41. Serial number, manufacturer, connection, and if it's in green, if it's showing in green, that tells you that it is connected. Okay, that controller is connected. If that's showing in red, that means that it's not connected. Another very, very valuable thing that we do at AquaPhoenix. So because we are connected to so many different manufacturers that are in our space, we also show you those different manufactured items in one pane of glass. You're not having to go to 2, 3, 5 different manufacturers' websites just to check on your individualized controllers in each of those. So for Hospital ST108 here, I've got one controller, but if I had 10 for this account, they would all show up here. They would also all tell me if everything is connected or if maybe 1 or 2 are not connected. That way I can get on the ball, get that taken care of very quickly with my end user customer. Now, if I want to create a controller, you can, yet again, free key. Everything is customizable here. So you can name convention, whatever you want to here. Add the serial number, component you want it attached to so that you can drive those trend graphs.